Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat in white knuckle on black and demonic red leather seats. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We'll have a look at the trunk area. So on the Challenger or Hellcat, it has a very nice sized trunk, so lots of room for storage. Great car for doing road trips in. Down below, we do have the subwoofers for the 18 speaker Harmon Kardon sound system. You've got the inflation kit for the tires, and the battery is also located in the back as well. We have the front license plate mount that's never been installed, so if you choose to get an undermount, that's a great position to be in. So we do have nice and clean seams here, as you can see. Looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid and we'll have a look from the back. So here it is from the back. It's got the nice matte black deck lid spoiler. We've got the LED taillights, the chrome Dodge badge there. We've got the reverse camera, and it also has reverse parking sensors in the rear bumper. We've got dual exhaust. It looks like almost like a darker chrome colored tips there, so that looks great. And we'll just shift around this side. It's got the matte black stripe that goes up and over the back of the trunk lid with the Hellcat in it. Looks good. And the roof is also wrapped black as well, and nice deep dark tinted windows. Here's the rear tire. So it's still got the stripe on it, as you can see from factory. It's got nice Pirelli tires. We've got the matte gray wheels and nice orange calipers on there as well. We'll move on to the passenger side. So this one has the baseball stitching in white. We've got the black and the demonic red, power locks and power windows, and that black chrome handle there. Harmon and Kardon 18 speaker sound system. And I'll just show you the kick plate here on the passenger side. It's in great shape, as you can see. And we'll go ahead, we'll scan up the seat so you can see the condition. And it's nice, soft, supple leather, which is really nice. And here's the back seat so you can see the condition. It's got the center armrest that folds down and seat belts for 3 people. So we'll place that back, and as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. And we'll check the glove box here. Glove box, we've got the wheel locks, we've got the books. We've got more books here in this bag. And there's another little pocket over here for storage as well. On the dash, you've got the SRT with the nice decal there. Here, I'll just zoom in on that, and the Hellcat logo. Have a look at the upper portion of the dash over here on this side. Looks good. So we'll hop out and we'll close this side up. While I'm here, I'll point out we've got heated mirrors, and we also have a blind spot monitor indicator in the mirror. So we'll step to the back, and I'll scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks great. And at the front, you've got the Hellcat logo on the fender, and we've got our front wheel. So again, the nice matte gray wheels. We've got the orange calipers, painted rotors. They're 2-piece rotors with slots, and the nice Pirelli tires. So we'll shift around the front and we'll have a look under the hood. So there's the motor. It's a V8 6.2 liter motor, which is supercharged 717 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic TorqueFlite transmission with paddle shift. And as you can see, everything's neat and tidy as it should be. Looks good. And I'll just show you from the inside there. SRT logoing on the intake. Looks good. So we'll close this up. And this one also has the matte black wrapped hood with the 2 nostrils there. Looks great. We've got the projector headlights, nice bright lights with the LED daytime running lights that go around the rings. And then you've got your intake on the center one there, as well as on this side here. And then we've got the SRT badging. Have a look at the lower chin strap. It's in great shape, as you can see. No marks, no issues. Looks good. Yeah, so I'll just take a close look. There's no stone chips that I see, so that's great. So we'll continue on. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice brand new Pirelli tires. They still have the ring around them, the yellow ring there. You can still faintly see it on this one here. More predominant there on the rear tires that we were looking at. Again, it's got the nice matte gray wheels, SRT Brembo orange calipers and 2-piece rotors. And here's the back one for you as well. Looks good. So we'll carry on to the driver's side. So again, we've got 2-user memory here. We've got the nice white baseball stitching on the black, the demonic red accent there, and then we've got our power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and the black chrome door handle. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. It's in great shape. And for the power seat, you got power 4 aft, up and down, power lumbar and side bolster adjustments, and a manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. And as you can see at the top there, we've got the SRT with the Hellcat logo embroidered into the seat. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. It's nice and tidy. And I'm just gonna grab the keys before I get in. There we go. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. Before I do that, I'll just point out we've got 2 red keys, and we also have a black key there as well. So the black key is dialed down. I believe it's around 500 horsepower. So, you know, you give that key to someone you don't want to have the 717 horses. So we'll go ahead, we'll start it. There it is. All right, so in terms of kilometers, you have 499 kilometers, which is nice and low. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. Everything looks good. Over here, we've got our arrow keys, which work the dash. That gives us speedometer, speed warning, diagnostics, screen setup, messages, audio, trip info, fuel economy, driver assist. So it has adaptive cruise, performance pages, tire pressures, and then back to the speedometer. Down below we've got telephone answer, voice command, and telephone hang up. Above you got your paddle shift minus. On this side you got plus. We've got our cruise control buttons here, and then our adaptive cruise spacing buttons here. So when you're on the highway, you can make the space between you and the car in front of you shorter or larger. So let's say you're going 100 kilometers an hour and the guy in front of you is going 90. It will slow the car down and pace itself out behind the car going slower in front of you till they move out of the way or speed up, and then it will bring you back up to the set speed. So a very neat system. Over here we've got automatic headlights. We've got dash dimmer and interior lights, trunk release. Over here we've got power tilt and telescopic steering column. On this side you got your push button start. Up here we've got our screen, so you got full factory navigation. You've got the apps here, so different apps. You can project your phone, SOS, Wi-Fi hotspot, active services, performance pages. So we'll open that up here. There it is. So you got some different performance things that you can do in there. If we go back to the apps, we'll go to the next page. Mirror dimming and some quick settings there. There's some controls, so heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, automatic mirror dimming. If we go to climate, there's your dual zone climate controls. We'll go to media, so you got AM, FM, SiriusXM, Bluetooth streaming, USB in. And if I put this in reverse here, there's your backup camera as well. Down below we do have the settings here. So we've got volume, we've got tune for the radio, mute, screen off, 4 ways, SRT pages, launch, parking sensors on and off, traction control on and off, front and rear defrost, quick settings for the temperature here for the passenger and driver. There's your 8-speed automatic shifter with manual shift. We've got a little pocket here. We've got the cup holder. Nice finish, nice look to the finish here with illumination inside. In the center, you got 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. Above, we've got a sunglass holder. You got 2 map lights, and you've got the universal garage door buttons there as well. So now we'll just hop out with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. What a beast. So I'll just get out and I'll show you here from the front with the headlights on. There it is. What an awesome machine. Just move along this side here. See the condition, looks good. Here it is from the back. Nice rumble to it. There you have it, folks. 2021 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.